What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Now in today's hair video I am going to be reviewing a synthetic wig for the first time. So I never reviewed a synthetic wig on my channel only because I never got a chance to, you know, try a synthetic wig. I know I tried some like back in the day. I popped it on and popped it off because it was too much to like deal with, and it got super tangly and it was just bad wig. If this is your first time seeing my face, hi, I'm Jazlynn Westbrook, and if you're a returning subscriber, hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you guys want to follow me on social media, they will be right here or linked down below, just an easier way for you guys. But without further ado, let's get right into this hair review. Now the hair I'm going to be reviewing today is from Superbwigs. Now they contacted me in regards to trying a synthetic unit, and I was pretty skeptical, but I was like, I really want to try a synthetic wig, you know, for myself. I want to own one. I want to see how it works. I want to see like what the tea is with synthetic wigs, because they are cheaper, but a lot of the colors are like A1. So I was just like, let me cop a synthetic wig because I know the color will be like decent looking. At least it'll be colored the way I want to for like pictures and just shoots, you know. It is this blonde unit right here. As you guys can see, it has a routage, which I'm not too mad about. The blend is perfect. This unit right here is their POCAHONTAS Ombre Blonde unit. It is a lace front, so you do only get a minimal parting space. It goes to like back here, which is one of the downsides to this unit. I wish there was a little bit more parting space. It came with a wig cap and an adjustable strap, so you can sew it onto your head if it is too big, too little, or if you just want it to feel more secure, which I don't use. But it is something that I appreciate when companies do send that, because I can use them on my custom wigs that I do make. For the hair itself, this hair is really soft. I did not expect a synthetic hair to be as soft as it is. Now I am just running my fingers through it. As you guys can see, I'm not getting any tangling. I'm not getting none of that, which you would see in typical, you know, synthetic wigs, which I'm kind of shook about. When I received the unit, it was a middle part, and I wanted a side part just to give it more of a natural feel. So I did go ahead and pluck a part, and I put some concealer just to make it more realistic, something that I can be comfortable with when I go outside, considering I would want to go out to shoot with this hair. Now when I was plucking the parting, it did not give me any issues. It was a little bit harder than a natural frontal or wig. It wasn't breaking apart easily, so I would use some strong tweezers or use a heavy hand on that, but do not rip a hole in your lace, because that is an issue you guys could have when you guys are plucking your lace, so be careful with that. Now the only reason I never got synthetic wigs was because I thought I couldn't style them how I wanted to. I just didn't know if the hair would melt off or any of that, out how it would work with heat, and honestly it did pretty fucking well. It did not melt up on me. I got my heat tool right here, so I'm going to show you guys how you know, I straighten it. It's just going to be literally me straightening the hair, but I just want to get the gist for you guys. I have it on the highest setting, as you guys can tell. Let's try the heat tool and see if it melts off. There's one pass, two pass, three pass. Now it doesn't smoke. You guys can see this thing is still on, and I keep on passing it, and I'm getting no issues. I'm not getting none of that. So that is great, and I will not be curling this hair because I feel like if I do curl a synthetic wig, it's gonna get really nappy, it's gonna get real frail. So I was just like, let's keep it straight, let's keep it cute, and let's keep it going, okay? For the length itself, it goes past my belly button, which most wigs do, so it's about 26 inches. It does not tell the length on the website. That is one downside. I'm like, okay, like I wish we can choose the lengths of the units, because I honestly would have, you know, got a little bit shorter of a length so I can, you know, do my beach waves and all that stuff. But the longer the inches, no complaints. You know, you can cut it. I'm not complaining because this wig is cute and it is so free flowing. Like, look at that, look at that. But let me stand up and show y'all like the true tea sister. So it goes all the way, excuse my little Hello Kitty shorts. It goes all the way to my hip bone, and as you guys can see the hair, I'm gonna shake it around, do a little 1-2 moment. It is so fucking pretty. Like this color color. Like I said, this was my first synthetic unit ever, so I had kind of low hopes for it. I thought it was gonna be trash. I thought it wasn't gonna move. I thought it was gonna be stiff. I thought it was not gonna be able to take heat, but it did. The only downside to this hair, like I said, is the parting space. You don't get a lot. I wish it was a full lace synthetic unit, but I don't know if they have though. For me personally, I wouldn't wear this wig every day, only because you want to have a longevity with the hair. Like I said, this is a synthetic unit, so it's not going to last like a human hair wig would last. So you're going to have to wear it like on special occasions or like for pictures. If you want to risk wearing it every day, the longevity will, you know, decrease. As everybody knows, synthetic wigs do run cheaper apart from, you know, human hair wigs, weaves, and all that stuff. And this wig right here, for all that you get, it will literally only run you $49.99, which is only $50. And honestly, that is a steal. If you are just buying this wig for either pictures or an event, just to go out, you know, like, I wouldn't wear this on a daily, only because I do want to maintain the healthiness and the sleekiness of this hair. I said sleekiness, bitch, like it's fleeky, girl. But I would not wear it every day. Superbwigs is an 8 out of 10 for me. The reason it is an 8 out of 10 is because I just wish we can choose our length. That would be like something that would be beneficial to other people, because although they have other wig options, we might want to get this style in a different length. So that's just my critiques with that. I would suggest it to people that will want a more affordable option when you're searching for wigs. Now, they do have human hair wigs that are cheap on their site, so you guys can look on their human hair section as well as their synthetic. I picked this one out only because I just wanted to try a synthetic unit. Like I said, I want one for myself, so let's see how this goes and let's see how long this lasts. You guys can follow me on my Snapchat so you guys are updated whenever I wear this hair. I do post pictures, so make sure to follow my Instagram to see me rocking this unit. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please give it a like, comment down below if you guys would try a synthetic unit. If my girls that wear human hair units, would you guys try a synthetic unit? Because this is my first one for myself, so I'm kind of like, oh my god, I can't wait to see like what I can do with it. Like, I don't know, it's just super soft right now, like what the fuck. But with all that being said, I don't want to waste your guys' time anymore. I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day or night wherever you are. Peace, love, and dildos. Bye guys.